हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एजुकेशन हब मोगा। यूट्यूब में आपने जाना है, विदाउट स्पेस टाइप करना है एजुकेशन हब मोगा और बेल आइकॉन नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन कर देना है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
हाँ जी, 7th क्लास टुडे वी स्टार्ट अवर नेक्स्ट यूनिट सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन। हाँ जी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ यू नो अबाउट व्हाट इज़ फ्रैक्शन। Start from here. Example, fraction is when we say a half cup of milk means 1/2 cup of milk. ठीक है। Similarly, 1/4 of a rupees, 2/3 of kilometer, 2 into 1/2 meter of cloths are example of fractions. ठीक है, which is in the form of numerator and denominator. Called P upon Q form is called the fractions. ठीक है। Next is the important term you know to solve this exercise. What is proper and improper fraction? हाँ जी, proper fraction in which the numerator is less than denominator is called a proper fraction. Hope so all of you know about what is numerator and denominator. Numerator is the upper term like 2 by in 2 by 7. 2 is numerator, 7 is denominator. Okay. Proper fraction is where numerator is less than denominator. In 3 by 7, numerator is less, denominator is greater. 2 by 9, numerator is less, denominator is greater. So this is called proper fraction. In improper fraction, in which numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater, like in 3 by 2, numerator is greater, denominator less. 6 by 4, numerator is greater, ठीक है, denominator is less. So this is called the improper fraction. All of you know and learn about it what is proper and improper fractions. हाँ जी, your next topic is unit fraction. What is unit fraction? Proper fraction having 1 as the numerator. ठीक है, unit fraction in which numerator is 1. In these examples, 1/3, 1/7, 1/5, these are all are the unit fractions. हाँ जी, next all of you know about what is like and unlike fractions. Like fractions with the same denominator are called the like fractions, which terms fractions in which have the same denominator. Unlike fractions which have the different denominator. Examples are here like 2 by 3, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 6 by 5 and 7 by 5. These all are the like fractions. 1 by 3, 3 by 4, 2 by 5 have the different denominator in these terms. Na? This is called the unlike fractions. And this start your recap exercise unit second. In your first sum, select the unit fraction from the following. All of you know what is unit fraction? Fraction which have 1 as a numerator, which is called unit fraction. Okay, in your first sum, numerator 1 is here I round with pencil 1 by 7, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 because here numerator is 1. Okay, do it on your book only. Second sum is fill in the blanks with less than, greater than or equal to the signs. These are very easy sum. You also did it in the 6th class. Okay, as I tell you about for a part 17 by 12 and 6 by 13 with greater or equal. If you have problem to find it in the fractional form, then you can divide this, the fraction 17 divided by 12 and 6 divided by 13, which term is greater. Okay, you put the sign. Please do this part is also on your maths book. Next sum is write in ascending order. Okay, 1 by 4, 5 by 7, 7 by 10 and 1 by 2. To find, हाँ जी, first of all of you find the LCM of 4, 7, 10 and 2. Okay, 4, 7, 10 and 2 LCM is 140. Okay, all of you equal your denominator. 1 by 4 multiplied with the 35, denominator is 140, so this fraction is 35 by 140. 5 by 7 multiply by 20, denominator is 140. Okay, So equal your these four terms. 7 by 10 is also take on the form of 98 by 140. ठीक है, 1 by 2 70 by 140. और now we write it on the ascending order, like 35 by 140, 70 by 140, 98 by 140, 100 by 140. First of all you write the small term, then write the bigger term. So in the term of 35 by 140 is 1 by 4, 70 by 140 is 1 by 2, okay, 98 by 7 by 10, in 100 term 5 by 7. So your ascending order is 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 7 by 10, 5 by 7. Okay, with the same method you write complete your sum in the descending order. Okay, do it yourself same like these sum which I done in ascending order. जी okay, your fifth sum is encircle the mixed fractions. Okay, all of you know very well which is mixed fraction, like 4 is simple in integer form, 7 by 8 is fraction, 15 by 2 is fraction, but 1 into 2 by 7 is mixed fraction, 14 by 9 is fraction, 2 into 4 by 9 is mixed fraction. So mixed fractions are 1 into 2 by 7, 2 into 4 by 9. Okay, these are the mixed fractions. You also do it on your book. Third and fourth part of 1 sum write on your copy. Fifth part is also do on your book. Next is your sixth sum. Convert improper fraction into mixed fractions. Okay, convert it into the mixed fraction. It give the improper fractions. Okay, you divide the sum 49 divide by 18. Okay, your remainder is 13. So your mixed fraction is 2 into 13 by 18. Okay, this is improper fraction. Okay, you convert it into the mixed fraction. So mixed fraction is 2 into 13 by 8 is your answer. Next is convert into like fractions. This is also very easy sum. ठीक है, how to convert into like fractions? 1 by 4 7th a part is 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. Okay, 3 by 8 have no need to convert into okay, because 8 is our denominator and our LCM is also 8. So we convert this 1 by 4 multiply with 2, denominator is 8. Like fractions which have the denominator same. ठीक है, 3 by 8 and we convert this into 8 denominator which is 2 by 8, 2 by 8 and 3 by 8. हाँ जी, your 10th sum is which is greater, the difference between 123 by 4 and 56 by 5, or the sum of 33 by 4 and 51 by 2. So here we find the greater term. हाँ जी, फर्स्ट ऑफ यू सॉल्व डिफरेंस बिटवीन 123 by 4 minus 56 by 5. टेक एलसीएम ऑफ 4 and 5 is 20. Okay, convert it into the like fractions and your answer is 391 by 20. Next, find the sum 33 by 4 and 51 by 2. Okay, firstly find the LCM. 4 and 2 is 4 and convert it into the like fractions. Your answer is 135 by 4. Okay, you have two answers, 391 by 20 and 135 by 4. Now we find which term is greater. So now we take the LCM of 20 and 4 is 20. Convert these all these into the like fractions. Okay, 675 by 20 which is the term of 135 by 4 which is greater. So greater term is sum. So sum of 33 by 4 and 51 by 2 is greater than difference between 123 by 4 and 56 by 4. So a right answer like this. Okay.
Please subscribe our channel क्योंकि हमें इनिशिएटिव मिल सके कि बच्चे हमारी वीडियोस देख रहे हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच। Subscribe our channel Education Hub Moga. Please subscribe our channel Education Hub Moga.